السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الآن الساعة 10:15. عادنا الآن قمت من النوم ومتجهين نحو مزرعة الغنم. قررت إني أروح مزرعة الغنم بالثوب والجاكيت والجنبية. الجنبية مش موجودة عندي في البيت، بجزع لها لبيتنا لبيت الوالد، أخذها من هناك وتوكل على الله. وهذه الجنبية جبتها من البيت، والآن نتكل على الله. وهذه المزرعة وصلنا. هني بيجيب لهم وينهم. وهذا الخروف مسكناه، ما شاء الله. الخروف هذه المرة حسين جميل. شوفوا وقفونا العسكري. How you doing?
Good.
Do you need any food, officer?
I'm a ma'am actually, and yes, we got a complaint about you guys.
Okay.
Any idea why that would be?
Nope.
Nope. Were you out of the vehicle making videos?
Yeah, I was taking pictures.
Okay. Of what?
Of myself.
Of what specifically?
I was dancing.
Okay. Why don't you step out of the car for me?
Okay.
Keep your hands away from here. Come back here for me. Thank you very much. Is the vehicle registered to you?
Yep. Registered.
You just got the car? Okay. All right. Take a seat for me. I'll be right back. Thank you.
Okay. أخذوا مني الجنبية. أنا كنت أرقص بالجنبية. شافني واحد وهنا خوافين قوي، افتجعوا على طول واتصلوا للعسكر. والمشكلة إنهم دوروا علي لا ما لقيوني، لأن قد كان هذا قبل ساعتين. بس الله، حتى هي خوافة تقول لي لا تحرك لا هذا ولا شيء. خلنا نشوف لوين بنوصل معهم. أنا هي بتصلح بحث، أعطيك البطاقة حقي بتصلح بحث، وبتشوف إذا في علي أي حاجة ولا لا، وبعدين نشوف. الله.
So what are you on YouTube? What do I look up for YouTube? What are your videos?
I do vlogs.
You do what?
Vlogs.
Vlogs?
Yeah.
So don't you have like a name to look up?
You can look at Motion Vlogs.
It's under your name?
Yeah, Motion and then type Vlogs.
Okay, here you go. So what came out, how did you get out to York today?
What do you mean?
Like, why did you come out to York? What made you guys come out here?
Oh,
Have you been out here before? Or?
Yeah, I come here, I buy sheep from the farm over here.
Oh, from Lops?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get a phone number for you? I gotta write up a report.
585.
Yep.
351.
And what is your home address? Is it the same as on
Yep.
your license?
This one, yep.
Okay. All right. Can you show me the video that you guys made today?
I don't know why it's...
Because most people don't see people just dancing around with this knife. I mean,
This is traditional.
where are you from?
From Yemen.
I'm just curious. I'm not giving
It's
you a
okay.
hard
No,
time.
it's okay. It's okay. I'm sure. Yeah. Maybe you like it too.
Yes, that is absolutely why somebody called you in. All right. Sounds good, guys. No
Okay.
problem. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. اوكي، والان خلصت وروحت الخروف البيت عشان الوالد يذبحه، ورحت غيرت الملابس. الان نروح الدوام، نروح اشتغل. وسلامتكم. ان شاء الله الفيديو عجبكم، لا تنسوا الاشتراك بالقناة.